Chapter 22. Yielding and Wholeness. The original Chinese verse. Yield and remain whole. Bend and become straight. Empty and be filled. Wear out and be renewed. Have little and gain. Have much and be confused. Therefore the sage embraces the One, and becomes the pattern for all under heaven. Not seeing himself, he is clear. Not justifying himself, he is distinguished. Not boasting, he has merit. Not being proud, he endures. Because he does not contend. No one under heaven can contend with him. The ancient saying yield and remain whole. Are these empty words? Truly, being whole, return to it. Chew. Yield, bend, the paradox's first term, what appears weak. Quan. Whole, complete, what yielding achieves, integrity preserved. Wang. Twisted, bent, deviation from the straight that achieves straightness. Wa. Hollow, depressed emptiness that becomes the condition for filling. Internal martial arts. Yield and remain whole, this is the principle of receiving force rather than meeting it. The fighter who yields to an attack remains intact, the fighter who meets force with force risks destruction. Bend and become straight, the path to the target is not direct. The circular routes of the internal arts curve around defenses and arrive at unprotected centers. What appears bent achieves what straightness could not. Have little and gain, the fighter who holds no fixed technique has access to all techniques. The fighter who commits to a repertoire is limited by that repertoire. Wang Bai, philosophical. A description of the sage ruler's governance method. The paradoxes are not contradictions but descriptions of non-obvious causality. The ruler who does not assert himself becomes more visible, not less. The ruler who does not claim credit receives more credit, not less. The ruler who does not compete becomes unopposable, not weak. These outcomes violate conventional expectations because conventions misunderstand how influence actually operates. This chapter also explores the Hashang Gong cultivation and Bodhidharma Chan Zen perspectives, plus character-by-character analysis and meditation commentary. Discovering the Deeper Aspects of the Tao, by Ryan Franklin. Free on Kindle Unlimited. Link in description.